I love these small moments before a trip, packing up, getting ready, that feeling of lightness and anticipation of the adventure just about to start. On the road on my motorcycle, I feel in complete harmony. Everything is temporary, and probably that is why it's so priceless and unique. You never know exactly what you will find, and that is the pure essence of magic, probably. I didn't plan where to stay carefully and somehow ended up in a small Muslim neighborhood. The unexpected beauty of travel, the world surprises you and happiness finds you when you least expect it. Bang Tao was amazing, even with a grey sky. The waves, the beach, a little bar for lunch, it all felt euphoric. Motorcycle trips have this amazing gift. You just stumble upon things and they become like little miracles. Feeling like a tourist, trying on new clothes. All these little moments made the trip feel light and alive. I really like this place. I'm not sure why, but I liked it. Though the weather was awful. Absolutely not the weather that I expected from Thailand in November, because it's raining every day for now. But I had a really nice drive, even under the rain, and I really liked the beach. I wasn't swimming, but there was something in it, something special. I don't know. I stopped at Laguna Beach on my way to Old Town. Quiet, expensive, peaceful Catalandia, beautiful view and a tiny pause before the next chapter of the day. And then came the old town, and the vibe was completely different. Colorful streets, glittering decorations, but somehow it all felt heavy and unreal. Rain, crowd, noise. It pressed down somehow, and it reminded me how travel isn't always perfect, and sometimes it just mirrors your own mood, your own state of mind. This trip started with a little miracle, and even when it faded, it doesn't mean I should stop looking for joy. Moments like this, waiting for the sun, finding light in small things, are probably what makes travel and life real. At first, this trip brought a little miracle. I discovered something new, unexpected, and joyful. But then the rain, the glitter and the loneliness took it away. That doesn't mean I should stop trying. Today the vibe is gloomy and rainy, but the sun can't hide forever. And while I wait for it, I can always turn on the lamp.